Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to use the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. So it's fairly simple. First of all, you should put it on your strap, obviously, and have it kind of like loose, but not too loose. Second of all, you can't tap the screen at all, so it doesn't wake up to tap, but we can press the button, and when we press the button, we have the watch face for a little bit. It does stop after 5 seconds as the default, but if we want to use it, we have scroll down notifications as we have none. Then we have scroll from the left for music if we're playing music, so we can have music. Then we also have scroll sideways for basically heart rate. Then we can also press again backwards with the button on the side and scroll down for quick settings, which basically takes us through the different settings that we want. So those is basically the way to use it. If you want to set up something you can't touch on the screen here, you have to click, go to the menu, and here you can adjust anything that you want from this menu on your watch. So you have to click for the menu, and like I said, the quick ones are notifications, music, heart rate, and then also the bottom is quick settings. So yeah, that's how you use the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.